how to get transcript from YouTube video. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can you generate transcript of any video on YouTube in just a couple of seconds. Just remember the channel name Haskry and make sure to watch till the end, whether you are using mobile or PC. All the process is same, so no need to worry. You can do the same in mobile as well. First of all, open your browser and search for youtube.com. Search for the video or simply open that video of which you want to get transcript. Like I want transcript for this YouTube video, so we'll tap on it and video will be opened. Sometime before, there was an option of transcript, but now YouTube has removed that option from here. To get transcript, you will simply open video description, and in the bottom, you will see the option show transcript. Tap on it, and it will generate here the script in just some seconds. Now, if you want to search a specific word, in transcript, you will use the shortcut, key control plus F. And a search bar will open here. Type whatever you want to search, and that word will be highlighted like this. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Guy's channel. Thanks for watching.